Hey friends, you know what? I am in love. Such an amazing feeling, right? But I am also scared. I am scared to lose my love. And that's why I'm here to request you all. Will you please help me to save my love, to protect it, to retain it? Confused? Okay, I'll tell you my story. As a usual habit, during evening, I was sitting in the balcony of my apartment and was admiring beautiful birds flying, enjoying the fresh wind, and was feeling my closeness with nature. Suddenly it started raining and I felt few droplets on my fingers. Within couple of seconds, the entire view in front of my eyes became so amazing and beautiful that immediately I felt a connect. And I was in love with nature. While I was enjoying, a fear flashed over. How long is this going to stay? Is this beauty going to stay forever? I was not sure. And then I came up with the idea of bringing this content to request you all. Will you please help me to save my love? Reports say that we are running short of water. Deeper you dig in ground, there is no drinking water. I say there will be a day when we will have plenty of water all around us. But with all the waste we dump in the rivers and oceans, maybe that water will not be suitable for drinking. We will have air all around, but with all the pollution we release, maybe that air will not be suitable for breathing. We will definitely have sun forever. Sun is always going to stay at the center of the solar system. But with that big hole in the ozone layer, maybe the same sun rays, which is an important ingredient for our body, is going to turn poisonous for our skin, leading to various skin diseases. We will have the vast landscape of Earth. But I really doubt, without any trees and plants, without greenery, or without any other creature, will that land be suitable for us to stay, to live on? Imagine yourself only surrounded by humans. No animals, no pets, no birds, no any other creature to be with, to talk with. How the life is going to be? Is it going to be boring, monotonous, and moreover frustrating, only seeing similar bodies all around? We are never going to have scarcity of any of the resources provided by nature. But with all the careless attitude and disrespect, the same resources which will be available in plenty but will not be suitable for our youth. Okay, now let me give a small spiritual touch. We all are well versed with the fact that our body is made up of 5 elements of nature: air, water, earth, fire, and ether. But if these raw materials itself are not clean, are not pure, what kind of end products are they going to manufacture? Friends, it's high time to realize the need of being aware what we are doing and what we are supposed to do. Come on, it's time to take charge. It's time to understand responsibility. Use resources cautiously. Manage waste methodically by segregating dry waste and wet waste, green waste from other waste. Adapt disposal mechanisms which reduces water and air pollution to minimal. Stop using plastic bags and plastic products. Learn to recycle and reuse waste and byproducts. Be sensible to animals and birds and do not intrude in their forest home. Let's join hands and promise that we are not going to present our future generation a costly bottle of mineral water in one hand and an oxygen cylinder in the other. Rather, we are going to present them a vast, diverse, beautiful, clean, and pure land to live in forever. Shruti, a cousin of mine, have finally tried to wrap up all my feelings through the following lines. And then all the destroyed souls, whose wrath on it nature saw unfold, breathed in the fire before it turned smoke, gathered the rags that they have torn, accepted the unlike as their own folks, and finally returned back to their earthly home.